Lesson 3. Combining instructions to solve given tasks. Hello kids! In the last lesson, we learned how to give these instructions to Joey. Walk, jump, collect and drop a shape. Now we will see how to join these different instructions and carry out a task. Combining instructions. Collect only triangles from the glass boxes and drop them in the bin. There are 8 glass boxes and each box has a different shape. How many triangles can you see? Yes, there are 3. Now tell Joey to collect the 3 triangles in the glass boxes and put them into the bin on the right. Let's see how to make Joey do this. Instructions to Joey to collect the triangles. Go to the code editor. Drag and drop the start block in the script area. Drag and drop the jump block below the start block. Drag and drop the collect shape block below the jump block to collect the first triangle in the second space. In order to drop triangle into the bin, drag and drop the drop shape in bin block below collect shape block. To reach the second triangle, Joey has to jump to the 4th space. So, use the jump block again. Use the collect shape block to get this triangle and drop shape in bin block to throw it into the bin. To reach the 3rd triangle, Joey has to walk and jump. So use the walk block and the jump block to get Joey to the next triangle in the 7th space. What do we do now? Use the collect shape and drop shape in bin blocks to complete the task. To finish, use the stop block. To see how Joey performs, click on the execute button and watch Joey follow your instructions. Well done! It's fun, isn't it?